Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, and I don't know the thing set. We're blessed. Hope I had a wonderful day today. But just a quick update on this robbery that went down in a Linstead earlier today. Yes, I said the Jamaica Defense Force says it is aware of the video showing persons wearing what resembles its uniforms while committing a robbery in Linstead, St. Catherine on Saturday, and is taking the matter very serious. Because we can't have the public not trusting, the law, police and the military. You see what I say? But they're doing, the necessary checks to verify whether the uniforms are in fact property of the force. They are quoted saying, "We will provide possible assistance with the JCF." Because one of them the uniforms was in it already. You see what I say? In the efforts of bringing the perpetrators to justice. The thing said, people. I'm gonna be honest with you, these guys, the robbery, them didn't really look nothing to do with law enforcement and military, just about the demeanor. They was robbing people, because we've seen enough law enforcement involved in robbery and how they move. You see what I say? But the police, they must say, if you have information, you can call them, and they will keep it anonymous. You see me? Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Put in the comment section what you think about that. I don't want to praise these robbers, but, big up on yourself for not taking nobody's life. You see what I say? Because, boy, I swear one was going to let off, and one of them people that, you see what I say? But, yeah, like I said, these people demeanors don't look nothing like police. You see what I said? Them I move like regular bad man in a disguise. You see what I say? The uniforms, it's not even put on neatly, because not the military, you have to neat. You know what I mean? And the clothes, them was kind of slack and all of this stuff. But is this why? It surely looks like, the police them thing. But that's again a quick update. But go on, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I try the latest. Bless.